Yo, people, it's YolyBoy back today again on Let's Laugh with YolyBoy. Don't forget, we're riding studio, and as always, we always talk about music, we always discuss music, and we always chop music, we eat music, we do music right here. And today in the house, man, we're about to talk with a very, very young daddy, you know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, I have young daddy in the house, a singer, a very big Afrobeat songwriter too, you know what I'm saying? And right now, I'm going to introduce you to him. But first, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and you can comment. What do you feel? Because right now, Big Daddy is looking big right now. I don't know. I'm going to call you Big Young Daddy. All right, man. Young Daddy. What's up? Good morning. You're welcome.
Good morning, bro.
Yeah, I'm doing good, man. You're looking so fly.
It's the grace of God,
man, I like you. You just fooled this chair. Nobody ever fooled this chair like this, bro.
That's crazy. I'm breaking the record, right?
Yeah, man, you look full of, man. Okay, so how is everything going, bro?
Everything's going well.
Yeah, we in Lagos, bro. How is the Lagos stress going?
Lagos stress.
My guy
Lagos stress is like crazy. Let me see, it's crazy.
Whoa, but man, that's what made Lagos interesting, though.
Yeah, but we have to everything we have to chase the bag. So we have to
chase the bag.
Get used to the stress.
Yeah, man, I really love Lagos. You know, it got you be like, man, before you know it's 6 a.m. Man, before you know it's 6 p.m. Man, before you know it's 12
I swear, you can't even sleep in peace. You're sleeping and you're checking your time. You're checking what's the time, bro.
No, that was the day I saw a nigga eating on the street. He was stopping the bus and eating at the same time. I was like, oh, I love Lagos. You're welcome to the studio, bro.
Sure.
Yeah, so let's talk, man. Because
I
really know how things going, you know.
Yeah.
How is Lagos? Are you staying here? Have you been brought up here? What's up?
No.
How was daily life like?
No, I'm not brought up in Lagos.
Okay.
I'm from Cross River State.
Cross River State.
Yeah, so I just came to Lagos not quite long, last year, November.
Yeah, bro. So let's talk about the homecoming thing, man. The upbringing stuff. So what were the challenges? You said you're not brought up in Lagos.
Yeah, I was not brought up in Lagos.
What led to coming to Lagos? What made the move?
So I was brought up in my village.
Yeah.
Cross River State.
Yeah.
I'm from. So what led me to come to Lagos?
Yeah.
Actually, my dad, my parents, they don't support music a lot.
Okay.
So I was staying with my brother, my elder brother,
yeah.
and he's a pastor. You know what I'm saying? He's a pastor. So he can't give me this chance sing.
Okay.
When I know this music is my P. It's what I'm born to have the talent. And even when he's hearing people they are telling me about young daddy, I'm singing, I can sing.
Okay.
Want me to you don't want this music. So all you just see no go school here.
Okay, you gotta go school, get a job, you know that kind
bro,
of stuff.
you know that type of thing.
Oh,
so
right.
I just discovered me staying there, bro, it's not gonna work, man. It's not gonna work. I just have to pull up, leave Lagos and come, leave the village and come to Lagos.
Man.
Yeah, I come and hustle. So my main purpose in Lagos is just for the music.
Wow. So you travel all the way
from
Cross River to come around here and just make it happen.
Yeah,
I feel your journey, man. You know, it's more man, I need to be the man.
Yeah, it's what it is.
So young daddy left Cross River to Lagos State.
Yeah.
So what's the package? How's the dream going over here? What are the enjoyments, the struggles, the challenges, the happiness, man?
I think I'll move my specs.
Yeah, guys, remove spec, man. I think everybody should remove their specs right now. It's getting hot.
I think I'll move my spec first for that question. You say enjoyment, right?
Yeah.
Talking about enjoyment, bro. Enjoyment, number one thing we need to know is Lagos State. If you don't have backup, you don't have someone backing you up.
Wow.
I swear you go back to the village. And you going back to the village, if only you have the transport to go back to.
Whoa.
So I would say a big shout out to my sisters, right?
Yeah.
Big shout out to my sisters because those guys they tried for me.
Yeah.
They tried for me.
Got your back, right?
Yeah, they got my back, bro. They got my back, bro.
Alright, holla at your sisters.
Yeah, bro. So I have friends that have come to Lagos and they'll be like, bro, hungry deal.
Yeah.
I mean they just came to Lagos and I'm sending my friends. I'm sending friends money. I'm saying 2K, man saying 2K. I don't get to.
Oh boy.
Not that I have much, bro,
Bro, you gotta
I
keep
see
the
like
family.
my own condition, like my own situation is somehow like
Softer.
preferable. Yeah, softer
Yeah,
than
that
theirs.
kind of thing.
Softer than theirs. So Lagos, if you don't have family members here, bro, don't come.
Wow, okay. What
Come,
if you have
come.
money and you don't have family members?
Man, you don't need the family members, bro. You don't need the family members, bro. You're talking about money here.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
money don't care about where you're going
Bro,
to.
money. How do you have money? And that money you have to spend wisely.
Yeah, definitely.
That's another thing. You have to spend wisely. You have to like come here and lavish everything.
Yeah,
Lagos-
so
lifestyle
like,
in Lagos
what
is
do you
expensive.
feel? What do you feel? How was the connection going? Like coming to Lagos for the music thing. So how was the journey
Okay,
going?
so,
Do you
okay.
feel you have backup that you intended to get the artists? Have you linked up so
Okay,
far? Have you
okay.
got some projects? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So let me be plain, right? Let
Yeah.
me be plain, right? So when I came to Lagos, first thing I did was struggle to buy a phone because
Okay,
that
yeah.
had been like what had been in my mind to start freestyling.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got
So
posting
when
online.
posting online on my social media pages.
Yeah.
So when I came to Lagos, first thing I do, I bought a phone. So when I bought that phone, that was an iPhone 6.
Wow, man, you got a good start,
Yeah,
bro.
so iPhone 6. So I started doing freestyles though,
Yeah.
but I was doing that freestyles without beats.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Like I just crime song and start singing it
Oh,
without
bro.
beats. And if I post it, I will just have like 20 likes.
Yeah, that
And
kind
some
of
comment
thing.
like, bro, you can sing this. So those comments motivated me.
Yeah, so you step up your game.
So
now.
I step up. At some time, I bought another phone. I bought an MP that started playing
Yeah,
beats.
you got that kind of stuff.
Yeah, I
yeah,
bought an
mix
MP
it
that
up.
started playing beats. You know, so about engaging with artists. Although, like, I'm not gonna lie, was it like some weeks back
Yeah,
that I recorded my first song ever?
yeah,
My first song ever. That's My Woman.
yeah.
So
yeah.
that.
So our
that
woman,
first
you
song
getting it, man. Shout out to
So-
our woman. All right.
So that first song, I haven't dropped it though. I'm dropping. I just want to like when I start promotion on TikTok
Okay.
and everything, then I'll drop it.
Yeah.
So bro, I'm someone that I like going out, but meeting artists like that, I don't know why. I don't have friends more in Lagos. I don't have people like
you just came in.
yeah, I
you know,
just
that
came
kind
in.
of
So
thing.
I don't have people like they'll just take me to this person, take me to this person. The only artist I know, that I have one guy in our streets that's a singer.
Yeah.
And how I met him, I just went to like he's a barber though.
Yeah.
I went to go and barb my hair. So while I was passing, I heard beats, free beats inside the barber shop. So I branched. And,
Let me give you some.
that beat played, another beat played. I had like 3 beats.
Oh, bro.
So
this
my
must be somebody.
my mind was like, maybe this guy is a
You can't
singer.
be listening to beats.
Yeah,
man.
beats. Why would you be listening to
People
beats?
listen to music.
No,
you know?
bro.
3 beats, bro.
Bro. So I went there and I was like, bro, I like this beat.
Yeah.
Then he said, can you sing? I was like, let's try.
Yeah.
So he replayed the beat and we did freestyle and though we flew. I posted it on my TikTok though. So that's like the only artist I've made.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah,
that's
then
cool.
producers like Activate, Ajegule.
Yeah.
That's how I did my song.
Yeah,
This is my
yeah.
first song.
Yeah.
Activate. Big shout out to Activate.
Yeah, man, bro. We say shout out to you, G.
So big shout out to Activate.
Yeah.
That's the producer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like let me see the first should I call it show or something that I
Wow.
did was last Sunday.
Okay. Yeah, in Lagos.
In Lagos,
Man, you really going fast.
Last Sunday.
You came to Lagos last November,
Yeah.
already throwing shows.
yeah,
man.
like
You
last
you
Sunday.
Big fish in this.
So like
city.
everybody is grace, right? And God.
Yeah. So how about this?
So
support
that show.
system?
So what happened, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I want to hear that.
So what happened about that show is it's a crazy stuff, though.
yeah. We good.
So I was with my friend. Big shout out to him, Michelle, man. Big
Yeah,
shout out to
bro.
you.
Yeah. Shout out, bro.
So I was with him. We went to a show when they say they are like inviting Humble Smith. I don't know if you know Humble Smith.
Yeah.
This guy that sing
I got that.
Osinachi.
Yeah. All these old stars.
So yeah, one of these old stars. So they say they're inviting him. So I said, okay, I want to go and see Humble Smith. So when I went there, eventually they said they need upcoming artists too that will start performing before Humble Smith comes.
I got you. Bro.
Yeah, bro. I
You
was like,
hop up there.
damn, he's God, man.
I'm the
He's
youngest
God.
upcoming artist on the street. I need
I was
this.
like, I was like, bro, this is God, man.
I mean,
So
like-
although I wasn't the one that heard it,
Yeah.
it was that Michelle, this guy.
That linked you up.
He heard
man.
it. So I was like in the snooker section where they're playing snooker.
Yeah.
So he was paying attentive. He was paying
You know,
attentively to
listening,
the
yeah,
MC.
you
When the MC
definitely-
now said the upcoming artist should come, he tapped me and he was like, bro,
you
what's
got
up?
a shot.
Just go and do this
Go
thing.
and snipe that
I was
stuff.
like, man, I was shy.
Bro,
I was
man,
too
with
shy.
that big opportunity.
Guy, I was too shy. So he motivated me and go. So I went there, I gave your name, I went back home dressed.
So my G, Young Daddy, I got your story on your show stuff, you know what I'm saying? But that was too fast, man. You just came to Lagos. You just got share stage with the big boy. You know, man, you know, that's what it takes to connect when you're linking up with G's, you know.
Yeah.
You got hooked up and some opportunities come your way. You place yourself there. So now let's go back to the street. How will you rate the music? The upcoming artists you saw so far? The experience, will you say it's something that, man, you can fight for? Like, yeah, I got this. I see the result coming. You know, let me put more pressure on it.
Music?
Yeah.
That's what you mean, right?
Yeah.
I must put pressure on music.
Damn, man. I like that most part of it. It's not about if it's gonna work or not.
You're not begging me, bro. I'm not begging nobody, bro.
You gotta prove yourself, man.
This is like my talent. This is everything I know to do.
The
right?
passion, the energy.
I have friends, my friends, some of them learn work, but I cannot do any of those shit, bro.
You gotta
so
put
I just
pressure
have to
on
music, everything.
Yeah,
music,
bro.
When I wake up, when I sleep, when I gym. And obviously, whenever I sleep, I'm dreaming. I used to dream. I used to see myself on shows.
All right, now I want to give you a short quiz, bro. This short game that I do.
Okay.
You know, there is this war in the industry, and everybody's like, okay, what's going on?
Okay.
So, question 1: Whiskey or Davido?
Damn, bro, don't go there, bro. Shit, bro, don't do that to me, man. Don't
What,
do that
bro?
to me.
What?
That's fuck.
Whiskey or Davido?
God,
Oh,
fuck.
Whiskey or Davido?
I'm not gonna betray anyone, yeah. I'm not gonna betray anyone, cause this like a podcast. it might worry me in future.
Really?
Like, so if I call someone name and they'll be like you and the other person, opposite person, are helping somewhere, they'll be like, you know these bloggers, they'll bring this podcast back. You don't know what you say now. They'll bring it back. They'll be like, you are talking back at this person. And
okay,
bro, yo, don't put me at that spot.
All right.
I love the two OGs.
All right.
Shout out to them.
Tyler or Arista?
Yeah, Tyler, Arista, man.
Man, like,
Arista.
Okay, why not choose Whiskey or Davido?
No. I love everybody.
Okay, Young Daddy.
Yeah, bro.
Your role model. Who do you look up to? You don't like Davido, you don't like Whiskey, you like Arista, so you like you don't like Tyler? Is that what you're saying?
I think I like her. I like her though, but I prefer Arista because
the vibe.
What make me swing? Savvy girl vibe.
Yeah. That's you for you, bro.
Yeah,
so what about your role model thing?
My role model, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm myself role model.
Young Daddy. Did you hear that, everybody?
Yeah.
Young Daddy is role modeling Wrong Daddy.
Yeah.
In this movement, bro.
But I look up to every artist.
Wow, you look up to every artist, bro. Yeah. I kind of like your vibe. You want to be you, you know?
Yeah, I just want to be unique, man.
Yeah, I see
do my
bro.
thing.
Do your thing.
Yeah, so
yourself.
like whiskey now. If you talk about if someone sings song that is liable to whiskey, someone will just pick it up and be like, "Guy, they sing like whiskey."
Like whiskey.
So I just want to have my own. So if someone is singing like me, they'll say, "Guy, they sing like Young Daddy." You're the thing, man.
I feel you, bro.
That's crazy.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. That's your daddy, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to the next game question.
Okay.
Now, if you had to choose short girl or tall girl,
damn, I'm not short or tall. No, I'm not short or tall. I just want to no.
Whoa, bro.
I don't like too much short girls.
Yeah,
but that's very hard.
Okay.
I should be taller than you though.
Fair or dark?
No, fuck. The color doesn't matter. It's like
it doesn't matter. Yeah,
but this would be beautiful.
Oh boy, man, that's what we're talking about. Just be attractive, be good.
Yeah, just be.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. I wish you a very successful choice out there, cause you got a girl, love beautiful ones, man. Yeah, so Young Daddy in the house, bro. It's a nice time talking to you, G. You know, we got guys like you on the street. So what can you say to them, man? Your colleagues who are hustling their way out based on what you see on the street.
Okay. So I can look at this camera, right?
Yeah, you can look anyhow. Face it, bro.
Number one, I would say be consistent.
Be consistent.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Don't let the good and bad words people say come to you.
Definitely. Yeah. So we're talking about focus, consistency, and not getting people's get in your head, you know, that kind of thing. You know, what you're saying is for real. Because if somebody's got to tell you good stuff, you be like, man, I'm good. Somebody tell you bad stuff, Man, he's like, you just believe in yourself. You know what you want and where you're heading to. You don't care about what they say.
What they say, yeah.
So,
Don't care about what they say.
so I feel it's a good thing. Now, everybody, this is YolyBoy, and I've been talking with the young daddy. He calls himself Young Daddy, but he looks like a big young daddy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you know more, man. Stay tuned, man. My woman will be dropping. And when it drops, I want you to go stream the hell out of that song, man. Thank you for coming, bro.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
I feel you, man.
Yeah.
But you gotta give me your cap right now. I feel that.
Wow, this is Jesus, man. This is Jesus. You don't see Jesus. I'm working with him anyway.
All right, bro. I
Anywhere I
love that,
go.
man. I will see you next, man.
See you
Everything will
guys.
be fine.
So you guys, your boy Young Daddy.
Yeah.
Just have to subscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Blessed up, man.
Yeah, I feel you, bro.
Blessed up.
For Lagos we dey hustle money. We just dey hustle, no grand one day hustle go pay. For Lagos we dey